Food allergies, a topic that touches the lives of many. They're diverse, instigated by varied foods and causing a myriad of reactions. At the heart of these reactions is our body's defense mechanism, the immune system. It sometimes misinterprets food proteins as harmful, triggering an exaggerated reaction. The symptoms are unique to each person. Some may experience mild symptoms like itching or swelling, while others may face difficulty in breathing or plummeting blood pressure, known as anaphylaxis. The basis of understanding food allergies in recognizing them as an overreaction of the immune system to certain proteins. The severity of symptoms can range from minor discomforts to life-threatening anaphylactic shock. The gravity of food allergies can be daunting. However, it's essential to remember they are an amplified immune response to specific proteins, leading symptoms from mild to severe, including anaphylaxis, a potentially deadly reaction affecting respiration and blood pressure. Identifying food allergies often requires professional assistance due to their unpredictable nature. They can emerge subtly and unexpectedly from common foods like peanuts and shellfish, or unusual ones like certain fruits and vegetables. Diagnostic tests are vital in unveiling these discrete triggers. Blood tests, for instance, detect antibodies produced in reaction to certain foods, while skin tests involve exposing the skin to potential allergens to check for reactions. Furthermore, being of our responses to food intake can be insightful. This is where maintaining a food diary comes into play. It involves recording our meals and any subsequent symptoms. For example, if strawberries cause skin irritation, noting this down and consulting with a healthcare expert can be beneficial. Importantly, tracking meals and observing post-meal symptoms can provide key indications. The primary approach to managing food allergies is strict allergen avoidance. This involves meticulous scrutiny of food, as allergens may lurk unexpectedly. Understanding food labels and ingredients is essential, and dining out requires open and clear communication with staff about ingredients and preparation. Many establishments are allergy conscious and willing to adapt dishes, but accidental exposures can happen, necessitating an action plan. This generally includes symptom identification, prompt use of an epinephrine auto-injector, and immediate medical help. The art of label reading, awareness of allergens, and voicing your needs at eateries are key to this as an action plan with a focus on utilizing epinephrine for severe reactions. Consciousness of labels, being of hidden ingredients, and maintaining open communication in restaurants is key. An action plan, unexpected exposure, incorporating the use of epinephrine for life-threatening reactions is crucial. The emotional impact of a food allergy diagnosis is profound. The physical repercussions are merely part of the ordeal, inducing anxiety and fear. Living with the knowledge that an everyday meal could trigger a life-threatening reaction is incredibly daunting. Emotional resilience turns pivotal during such periods. Empathy and understanding from someone who knows your struggles can be priceless. This connection provides a platform for emotional space to develop coping strategies. Support isn't just personal. Community circles also play a vital. They offer a platform to exchange and garner advice, nurturing a sense of belonging. Groups provide a safe environment for learning from others' experiences. They serve as a lighthouse for those sailing on the same turbulent waters. The significance of psychological support, whether through personal counseling or support groups, is key in alleviating the stress and anxiety tied to managing allergies. While food allergies present significant challenges, there's hope in the rising consciousness and public education. These are multifaceted conditions requiring expert diagnosis and dedication. It involves strict allergen-free diet and preparedness for unexpected allergen encounters. The chaos post-diagnosis needs comprehension. Support from trained healthcare providers and restaurant staff is crucial. Food allergies not only alter our diet but also our lifestyle. An acute thorough education and appropriate assistance are key. Implementing the right strategies, emotional support, and allergen-free zones can sufferers to live healthily. They impact our lives beyond just diet. They demand understanding and assistance. It's about managing the challenges affecting our daily lives. Remember, food allergies are not solely about diet, but influence our daily lives profoundly. It requires awareness, education, and proper assistance to control these challenges.